Look at this mountain of waste. Millions of discarded glass bottles, just waiting for a second life.
But here, nothing is truly wasted. The journey begins now. Step 1, a massive wash. We need to strip away all the dirt and labels. High-pressure water jets hit them hard. Total sanitation is our absolute priority. Every single bottle gets blasted. We don't miss a spot.
Now, the deep clean. Thick industrial foam dissolves any remaining sticky residues. Rinsed and shining. These bottles are spotless and ready for the extreme heat. Straight into the fire. Intense heat instantly vaporizes the moisture and sanitizes the glass. A blazing inferno. This is where the glass is tempered and completely dried out. The thermal shock prepares the structure for the violent crushing phase coming up.
Lined up and sent into the belly of the beast. The heat removes any microscopic impurities.
Here it comes, the crusher. Solid glass is absolutely pulverized in a split second.
Massive steel teeth shred through thousands of bottles like they're nothing but paper. What was once a bottle is now sharp, jagged cullet. Beautiful, but dangerous. We flow this sparkling material down the line, but we're not done cleaning yet. A secondary wash ensures absolute purity. Any tiny paper or glue fragments are flushed away. Water cascades down, filtering out every single contaminant. It must be flawless. Crystal clear and soaking wet, they now enter the drying tunnel. Time to evaporate that moisture. Blasted with absolute fire. This extreme roasting guarantees zero moisture before melting. Infrared heat lamps bake the shards, driving out the last atoms of water. Direct flame purification. Anything that isn't pure glass is literally burned away into ash. Completely sterilized, they ride the conveyor towards the final transformation. The great melt approaches. A final sift. Vibrating rollers and meshes sort the shards, ensuring perfect, uniform size. Just look at that pure emerald flow. It's clean, sorted, and hungry for the furnace. Millions of perfectly prepped shards converge onto the superhighway, heading straight to their destiny. Scale it up. Massive shakers ensure absolute consistency across tons of raw material. An avalanche of pure recycled glass is gathered. The final destination awaits, the inferno. Tons per hour. The automated systems prepare the cullet stream with relentless efficiency. Here it goes, straight into the melting pot. Over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit awaits. A monumental plunge. The shards melt instantly, merging into a roaring sea of liquid fire. Solid turns to liquid. The rigid shards surrender to the heat, becoming a glowing, molten syrup. Liquid fire. The violent convection currents mix and purify the molten glass perfectly. The transformation is complete. The golden liquid pours out, smooth. And now, the magic! The glowing syrup pours into high-speed spinners, exploding into a shower of sparks. Centrifugal force violently rips the liquid apart, spinning it into incredibly fine, glowing strands of glass. As they hit the cooler air, they instantly solidify, transforming from glowing fire into hyper-strong fiberglass. A continuous flow of fiber is born.
millions of individual threads racing forward in unison.
The fire fades, leaving behind a delicate, flexible veil of pure fiberglass, stronger than steel. Cooling fans lock in the structure. The fibers billow like a frozen cloud of spun sugar.
A specialized coating is applied, binding the fine filaments together to prevent breaking and snapping.
Treated and tensioned. The strands run through sizing baths to guarantee maximum durability and handling.
Slick and perfectly aligned, they form a robust ribbon, speeding towards the winding station.
Look at the scale. An intricate web of pulling rollers creates a massive superhighway of fiberglass.
Tensioned, flattened, and flawless. The rollers align the strands parallel for ultimate tensile strength. It's a mesmerizing ribbon of pure strength, perfectly calibrated and gliding smoothly through the system.
Guided by precision ceramic eyelets, the wide ribbon is precisely divided into bundles, ready for the spools.
Spinning at phenomenal speeds. The bundles are tightly wound onto massive industrial spools.
Row upon row of massive fiberglass rovings. Thousands of meters of perfect thread in every single bobbin.
A synchronized ballet of machines, creating an endless supply of high-tech material for the world. A landscape of pure innovation. From crushed waste to this impeccable grid of raw strength. Quality control is ruthless. Precision lasers scan every millimeter for any microscopic defects. Once approved, they are tightly sealed in protective wrap to shield them from dust and moisture. Precision automation does the heavy lifting, securing the package in seconds flat. Finished bobbins are stacked on pallets and deployed into a massive, automated smart warehouse.
From a mountain of discarded trash to a cathedral of high-tech manufacturing, ready to be shipped worldwide.
This is the true power of recycling, giving waste a brilliant, indestructible new life.
Perfect